This is my setup for when I go out shovel. My body harness, walkie-talkie for Cassie to get a hold of me if she needs me, my headlamp. This is how I go out. Ready to go. Oh yeah, winter storm. Figured I'd bring you guys out with me. I got my new body harness, so I'm gonna use it while I travel and bring you guys in. What are you doing? What are you doing? What a handsome young man. What a handsome young man. Alright. I figured I'd use this body harness and give it a try. Better than now. Snowing out, not too bad. Might as well go do a run. Water out here. I gotta take some pictures because my landlord wants me to send him all the before and after shots. I washed these gloves the other day and they're still wet a little bit on the inside. Hopefully that doesn't bother me too much. I'll put them on the heater when I get inside. This is only the first run right here. I'm gonna have to do more. I've been working on a short story. Kind of like a sci-fi. I've been digging it. Been nice to let my creative flag fly. Cassie said she really thinks it's awesome. She keeps saying she wishes she could have an imagination like that. Well, write her imagination like I have been. I'm interested to let other people read it too. It's a short story, so they're not like crazy long chapters or anything, but I got the prelude done, and then I got chapter 1 and 2 done. I'm just starting chapter 3. I really like to go out and do it a few times, so that way I don't have a ton to do all at once. As you can see, I do it by hand, so I don't have a snowblower. If I had a snowblower, I'd probably do it all at once. Most of the time, depending on how much. Plus, I really like how this looks. All these giant, snow mounds, and you walk in between them. I love that. That's something I really like. I like how it looks. I'm not gonna salt and sand and wait till it's all over. I don't know if you can tell, there's a lot of chunks in here, there's a little ice underneath here, so probably won't do much if I do. So I'll wait until it's all over and then I'll do that. Make life a little easier. And I'll save on the salt and sand because I usually go to the town to get it. I've been kind of hunkered inside for the past couple days. My back has been all fucked up. I fell down again. I think I've fallen like 3 times, 4 times in the last like maybe month and a half. This last one was a pretty bad fall though. Fell downstairs. That was not fun. And I gotta be careful here because there's all ice under all this snow. This is all ice under here. This is all ice under here. So, be really careful. I don't want to get hurt. I don't want to hurt my back even more. I'm glad I'm up and walking around today, that's for sure. Yeah, see, I'm slipping everywhere. After I do this area, we're gonna go out back and do the fire escape. That's always fun. God, it's so slippery. This is literal fucking ice under all of this. Whoa, see? See, look at that. All ice. It's all fucking ice down there. Be real careful because I don't want to fall and touch my camera. Look at that. It's a solid fucking sheet of ice. I put sand down too and salt. It's still iced over. It usually does every year. It's kind of inevitable. Always sucks when you get like freezing rain and then that's followed up by a lot of cold and then more snow, because after the freezing rain and the cold come, everything is just fucking frozen. Then the snow comes and that puts like a slippy layer underneath. Oh, that puts a slippy layer over the top of all the ice, and then pretty much fucked. I don't know, I'd rather come out here and get a pass done and have it not be as bad later. I'm fine with that. And it's a good judge too of how much snow we got, because now that I cleared this off, I can come back and look out my window later on, out the kitchen window, look at my car and see how much is on there, and then I know how much more snow I have. I'm gonna have to shovel. That's it with the snow broom. So now, so I don't have to carry this thing all over the fucking place with me, I'll go put it back up on my porch, and that way when I come around the other side of the house, it'll be up there waiting for me. I got walkie-talkies that I use, so if Cassie needs me, I don't have to pull my phone out. Let's see if she's listening. Walkie check, walkie check. Can you hear me, Dad?
Yeah, what's up?
Alright, just making sure that you can hear me, that's all. I'm about to go do the fire escape.
Okay, be careful. Over.
Okay, I love you. Over and out.
Not over and out. I love you too. Over and out.
I gotta go really slow with baby steps here because I do not want to fall. My back's already fucking fucked up and I do not want to land on my camera either. Then I'll be pissed. Don't want to block the dumpster because the guys who empty our dumpster are the biggest fucking pussies in the world. There's one little thing that they can not empty it for and they won't. A fucking bunch of babies. Waste management. I had to call. First I had to call. They were bitching about a low line, a power line over here. It ended up being a phone line, but I don't know if you can see them. Those ones that are hanging right there. They said they were too low. So I called the power company. They came out and they said it's not ours, it's Comcast. So I called Comcast. They came out. I said it's not ours, it's Verizon. So finally Verizon came out and they took care of it. But it took forever to do all that. And I had to wait for all these people. Get up early in the morning, so oh god, so slippery. After everything was done, and they came out and took care of the line, that they didn't. I had to be out there to meet them because I was afraid they were just going to drive off, which is what they've done a million times. And it turned into a nightmare. And that was all because the garbage company. We just got them. They're new. We've had them for like maybe a couple months now, and they've literally avoided picking it up than actually picking it up more times. They're fucking big bunch of babies. Alright, so here it is. This is a 3-story fire escape. Pain in my ass. Oh, of course. Of fucking course. Oh, I gotta take a picture anyway. So this right here is the second story of it, and right here going up to the third. This goes across the top of the roof, and then it's the last staircase that leads up to the third floor. So it's up pretty high. I'll show you when I get to the top. Take a good shot of it. There you go. You can see how high up we are. We're up there. Take another picture. this pass is it. And I probably won't come out and do another pass until this storm is over. Almost. Whoa. See? Almost. Almost. Wow, these are fucking all ice. God damn it. I'm gonna have to put some serious fucking salt and sand on these. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. These are fucking ridiculous. God damn. It's fucking ice everywhere. There's fucking ice everywhere. This is our tank right here. I always do it because I thought we were only going to need one delivery this year, but it's been so cold that the heaters have basically been, the propane heaters have basically been staying on. We have propane and electric heat, but we mostly use the electric baseboards, but we have the propane heaters set to as low as possible, but it's been so cold that they've just pretty much been staying on. So, and they won't deliver this unless they can get back here to it, so I always dig it out and make sure they can get to it. And then this is the final area that now people can get around the whole house. So if there's something happens, everybody can go whatever way they want. Doesn't matter which way they go, there's a track, there's a trail to get around the house. So the whole house is opened up. Whoa! Jesus fucking Christ, man. All ice, everything. Oh. I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna fall, I can feel it. I'm gonna fall again. So slow. Oh, fucking slow. Jesus fucking Christ. I hate it. I hate it when everything's ice like this. I fucking hate it. Okay. That's all done. I didn't even drink my water. I'm about to, that's for sure. Give you guys a so that is shoveling. That's just one quick pass for you guys get me something to see, but it's pretty much what I do whenever it snows, and my landlord pays me to do it, which is nice. But that's it. I showed you the get up, I showed you what I do, had a little talk with you. Hope you enjoyed.